Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to verify your account on Fiverr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Fiverr website right here at fiverr.com if you haven't already. And after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. So at the main page, you want to go ahead and log into your account in the upper right corner that you want to verify. So you can click the sign in button, or if you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one. And after logging in, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. You can browse all the sections, you can see your browsing history and so on. Basically guys, if you have just created an account without verifying, then there is going to appear a big section right here that says that you need to verify your email in order to continue using Fiverr. So you want to go ahead and verify your email, start using the verify button. That's going to send your code that you can enter in right here, and after that your account is going to be verified. But if you want to become verified as a seller and you want to start offering your gigs, what you can do is go right here into the upper right corner, click on the profile icon and open up the new drop down menu. In the new drop down menu, you can go ahead and click the become a seller option. After clicking become a seller, it's going to open up this new page where you can get started becoming a seller by clicking the become a seller button, and then you can go ahead and file out all the info, as you can see right here, personal info, account security and so on, and submit the form. And after they review it, you can be successfully verified as a seller and start offering your services. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.